Hello everyone and welcome back to my tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about the PlanFinder. So maybe you already hear about the PlanFinder when you can create the plan of your houses with just a few clicks. Maybe not, but today I will introduce you how it works and how you can use, for example, in real project. Yes, today I will show you part of the real project where we will try to use our generative the PlanFinder, and we will compare between the what architect does and what the PlanFinder will do. So if you are ready for this tutorial, let's get started. As always, I will start from the blank project. So as you can see, here is my blank project I just created. I'm using the standard template, nothing else. And let's see how it's works. Here is the my PlanFinder. You will find it when you will install it in a separate tab. So here we have the three tools. We actually will use only one. Let me, I will first, of course, I will create some rooms. Not rooms, actually, I will create some, let's say, this is my future room will be, and we have only the 4 walls. So that's it. After that we're going the PlanFinder, and let's use the fit or generate. Right now I will use the fit because I have my let's say the future building. Here I wanna place my building, and after that I just look here, please select the entrance. So entrance will be somewhere here, and after that PlanFinder will give us some ideas. As you can see, it's not correct with the entrance because I did it on the left side. If you care about your entrance, let's cancel it and let's place our door first. I will place my door like this. Doesn't matter which one door we're using right now. Going back to the PlanFinder, going to the fit, I'm showing the entrance, and as you can see, PlanFinder doesn't ask me where is the entrance because it's directly understand from our door. As you can see here, the dot, it means here is our door, here is the entrance. It's really good. We can say that PlanFinder really communicative the thing because it really understand what they see on the plan. So here is the plan. As you can see, here is the entrance. We can change here in the filter some basic settings like which country we're using, how many baths we want, how many bedrooms we want. For example, in my country we doesn't use the beds. We are calculating by rooms, let's say. Yeah, this is really strange things, but we are calculating by rooms. But anyway, it can be useful in different countries because the people, I mean the architect will change the plan after we'll generate it. Here, as you can see, minimal area. We can create the minimal area, and let's say here we have like 1 bedroom. Let's say I wanna something crazy, I want a 2 bedroom, and as you can see, now PlanFinder trying to find something in the base. I mean, trying to find what they have kind of our plan. And let's see what they have else, like only one plan. Okay, this is doesn't good for us. And yes, let's back to the one, or let's make the studio. And as you can see, the studio, it's also the not good because it's changing the door. But okay, we can change the door by ourselves, it's okay. Anyway, let's back to the number 1, and let's say okay, and let's see what the PlanFinder will do. PlanFinder just uploading own families. Yes, they have own families. That's why it's trying. It's taking about some minutes. You can actually change this thing, like use your own families. But this is the standard template from the Autodesk, and maybe better way to use the PlanFinder families. Just let's wait. So here we are. As you can see, our rooms it's here. Even we have some furniture. It can be useful. As you can see, yes, of course it's not so much detailed, but we don't need it actually for the when we want to find our plan finder. Yes, it's pretty awesome. And as you can see, the door is using the without the openings. I don't like this door, the kind of the doors without the openings, but we of course we can change it, so it's not a big problem. Like, let me, I will change it, and here is our door. So, but we already have the plan. We have already with what we can work. It's really good for us. And as you can see, internal the walls, it's exactly the double plaster, I think. Let me, I will check. Yeah, this is double plaster. cluster as I understand, and really nice. So when we have only the, let's say, like cube, and you trying to find what you can place inside, it's really working. But let's a bit making the our goal is a bit complicated. We will, for example, place some more, let's say, the windows, and we will place some internal the walls, construction walls, which is cannot be demolished. Let's see how it will be work with that. Let's make a bit more complicated our idea. Let me, I will copy just our walls, and let's say the other thing. We have, for example, the shaft. Here we have the shaft. Let's say it will be like this. I not will draw here the. Okay, I will show. I will show you here the door actually, like this. And here's the shaft. As you can see, it's a bit complicated right now. And after that, let me, I will create some curtain panels. Where's our curtain panels? Exterior glazing maybe. And here will be our facade. Let's say, oh, it's not working like that because we should place it automatically embedded. So now it's working. I don't think so it's now corrected height, but let's say from the level 1. Oh, we don't have levels because it's standard template. Okay, it doesn't matter. We're just working now with the plan. So here is our a bit complicated. Okay, let's make more complicated. Like, let's make our strange facade. Yes, I will copy it and I will do like this. Let's say we are really terrible architects and we did something like that. And let's see how the PlanFinder will be work with that. Now we will use again the fit. Let me, I will place it. And the fit, not actually the fit. Because fit trying to find from their own library something near with your idea. As you can see, the blue line, it's your external line. And it's not working well. For that one, we should use generate, because we will generate the library for our idea. Let me, I will use generate, let me, I will place it, and now we have the one more option. The program waiting when we will choose the facade. Look on the left bottom side. Choose the facade. Here's our facade, here's our facade, and let's finish it. Now let's see how it will be work with our plan, and as you can see, it's working perfectly. It's understand where our shaft, as you can see, here's our shaft, and it's nice because our shaft now touching with the storage and the bathroom. It's really nice because I don't know, it's maybe this is just a happen, but the idea of the connecting the storage and the bathroom really nice. But the bad idea, our living room and our kitchen opposite the storefront, and if you understand, the plumbing going to through our whole room, it's not good idea actually. We can choose some other variants. This is already much better, but not that all, because here we have a corridor, and as you can see, the plumbing, it's not nice idea. Anyway, we have something with what we can work, and here we have the again new options. As you can see here, we doesn't have filters because we are generating variants, we are not choosing the variant. Here we have the countries with what the program working. Here actually a lot of the different countries, and again the beds, how many beds we have. Maybe it's just one studio doesn't have with the storage. For example, we can uncheck the storage and generate it again. Now we not will have any storage. See the storage, but we still have the storage. It's really strange. But here we don't have storage, as you can see. Maybe because we generated this variant before I changed the parameters. And here we also doesn't have the storage, so it's working. We can separate our kitchen, because now living room and kitchen it together. But some of the people prefer when the wet and dry kitchen it's different. I mean on different rooms. Let me, I will generate, and let's see how it will be work. And here we are. As you can see, here is our living room. The kitchen it's smaller than our, it's not smaller, but kind of like our bathroom. I think it's not good idea, but if we will make the corridor a bit smaller and we will demolish this wall, maybe it can be useful, and we will place here the bar table. maybe it will be useful. But like this configuration, it doesn't. Let me, I will try to, for example, reconfigure. We can click on that, and as you can see, it's reconfigure what you have inside. It's also right, nice working. So what I can say, it's working, but now we can try it in the real project, as I said before. So this is time for the real project. Yes, let's go. So here's my real project. As you can see, I just deleted all entrance things. So we directly understand how many we have the apartments, but we should somehow the place inside. First we will generate, and after that I will show you what architect did with this plan. Let's use, for example, this part. We not will generate all, we will only generate one. Why I using this part? Because we have this some strange angle here, some the shaft here. We understand why we have the angle here, because our facade is finished here. Okay, so let's create, and we have a really complicated facade, as you can see. So I will go to the PlanFinder. I will use generate, because the fit it doesn't work here, as you understand. I don't think so. We will find the kind of this room, and let's click on that. Now the PlanFinder waiting when we will use our facade. I will use the facade. Here's our facade. Here, like this. Everything what we can add to the facade, I just adding that. Okay, so I think just looking where is the plus. Okay, so everything there, and let's create it. So it's really complicated, and if it will be work on the 50%, it's working on 100%. Yes, actually it's really nice. I cannot say it's working on the 100%, because oh no, I sorry, it's my mistake. It's working. So as you can see, the fuse box here, the storage here, with that bedroom here, but I don't like the kitchen here. Kitchen on this side. Anyway, we will see what architect did. Here's actually the variance, as you can see, and it's not really bad. And we get again, we can make our kitchen separate. Why not? Let me, because we have really a lot of the spaces here. And where is our kitchen? Our kitchen is here, but it's really terrible. I don't like the cube kitchen. It's like separate room. I don't think so. This is a good idea. Here, where's the kitchen? Without the door. So sometimes, as you can see, we have the really terrible variants without the door, with the bedroom. But mostly the variants near with the living room. It's not bad. I will uncheck the separate kitchen. I will generate it again, and after that we will apply and see how the architect did and how this PlanFinder did. I checked how many the bedroom we have in original. So I will do also the 2 bedrooms. I wanna make a bit equally situation. We need here the 2 bedrooms. So here, as you can see, 2 bedrooms. Let's reconfigure. Oh, let's just wait when it will finish. So here we are. I will recalculate this one part, because where is my bed? Here. Okay. I think much better this variant. So yeah, much better this variant. I will leave this one, and let's say okay. It will takes a bit the time. I will back when it will finish. Here we are. As you can see, here is our doors, here is our plan. Doors you can change, you already know that, because now I'm using my own doors. Actually, this is not right doors, but here I have a lot of the different doors, so I can change anything what you want. So it doesn't matter for us right now. Anyway, as you can see, it's already with some rooms created. I'm using now filter, that's why we cannot see the furniture. I don't wanna now change my filters. I wanna just create the new plan. It will be much faster. Just give me a second. I will do it as fast as I can. So I will create the new one. So here I created the new one, and as you can see here, all the furniture, it's here on the board. I will go back, and now let's compare what the architect did and what we get in the PlanFinder. Let me, I will open the plan. And as you can see what the architect did. You can directly see on the left side they created the buff room. Let me, I will check what we have on the left side. On the left side I think we have the storage room. Let me, I will check how it's called. Oh, it's the buff, as you can see. Huh. Okay, the 50% already they get. Here the buff also. Here that they did the living room, but the AI, it's not AI actually, but okay, let's call it AI. They did living room on this side, on the right side. Maybe it's also not bad idea, because we have also here the 3 windows instead 2 windows. Okay, here we have the 2 bedrooms. Here we have the 2 bedrooms on this side. Of course, here the master bedroom, it's really nice. We have really big master bedroom. We have here the oven, the bathroom, but here we doesn't. We have only the 2 bedrooms and that's it, and only the 1 bath. It's not a good idea because if you have the children, it will be some big problem. But here we doesn't have any corridor, as you can see here. We just instead going to the inside to the living room, but here we have the corridor. So let me, I will try regenerate one more time, and maybe we will get the variant without the corridor. And it's unbelievable, but I find it something closer to the closest variant what we did actually. But as you can see here, the living room still in the left side and the bedroom on the right side. But what I get this variant. Actually, the bedroom here, the bathroom here, and maybe if we will make the wall here a bit smaller, I mean, we will move on this side, our bedroom will be much better, and it will be something like a let's say something like master room. So but we can modify it by ourselves. For example, our storage now from this side, for example, we right click on the storage, change the door, and we can change on this side. So you can change it here on the plan. For example, what you can change else? For example, I wanna delete this wall, and it's not will be circulation, it's not will be corridor. So let's change the our function, and I will change, for example, to the let's say living room. So now, as you can see, we have the same functionality. Our toilet is really small, but it's okay. It's a guest, let's say, and here the bathroom. So we can make, for example, the middle room. So right click here, change the door, place it here, but I don't know how we place here the, for example, the bath, but it's okay. So this is automatically generated variant. So as you can see, it's working sometimes, but still it's trying to place the living room on this side. Also, we can go, for example, here, and we can find some, let's say, functional variants. And as you can see, here is this what variant I was finding. Also, again, we can change the country laws, because some of the country laws, they have the different laws. And for example, now I'm using I think this is Estonia, but we can using, for example, the UK and generate it again, and we will generate here the variants of the functionality too, as you can see. So as you can see, even here it's trying to place the living room on the right side. And so because maybe it's the daylight preparation, I don't know why, but here it's trying on the right side. So this is again the closest to the architect variant. Let me will see. I think it's like the previous one, but our storage is a bit smaller, and we doesn't have the 2 toilets here, and maybe this variant much better. So again, let's go to the settings. Here, as you can see, we can join the walls. Here some additional settings like finishing. We can, for example, change where our door opening and other things. We can bake the rooms if you want, and some account information. Here under the input you will find, for example, the entrance door. You can place where is your entrance door. Your entrance door is here, and it will regenerate it again. But actually the PlanFinder really nice understand where is your entrance door. And as you can see, when I was showing the way is my entrance door, it's what's changing the plan. But we want a 2 bed and 2 Bev. Let me, I will generate last one more time, and let's see what we will get. So this is our final variant, let's say. I not will generate more time. And as you can see, it can be useful on the first stages when you trying to find your idea. Sorry for this long video, but I wanna show you how it's working in real project. So as you can see, the architect can do the best variant. This is, I think, is much best variant that what we have here by PlanFinder. But if you are on the first stages, the PlanFinder can find you path to your final destination. So this is can be useful, nice thing, and I hope the developers will develop this program more and more. So for today it's finished. This finished my tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. If you like this video, don't forget to share, like, and comment, of course. And see you soon. Bye bye.